You want to be on the vlog? You want to be on the vlog? Do you want to be on the vlog? When everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Liv. I make videos of beauty, lifestyle and fashion. So if that is something that you're interested in and you like my style of videos, it would mean the world to have you come join our little family here on YouTube. Today's video is in collaboration with CHERRYZ. CHERRYZ are a company that sell almost everything that you could need for your home. From cleaning products to Christmas decorations to food and snacks, they've got it all. They're basically the exact same as your likes of B&M and Home Bargains, but they're online. They kindly reached out to me and gifted me a voucher to do my own little haul. So I have this huge box full to the brim. A couple of things were out of stock and haven't reached me, but it doesn't matter, we're gonna roll with it. Once I've done this haul, I will be doing a vlog, a Christmas vlog, where I'm gonna be putting together Sebby's little Christmas Eve box, and some of the items in here are for that, so stay tuned for that video. I've got a hot chocolate, my cream has just completely melted. Let's open up this huge box. I've also got a code for you guys, so I will pop that on the screen and I will link all the details down below. What have we got? So, first things first, an XL elf activity book. So as I mentioned, part of this haul is going to make up Sebby, my little boy, his Christmas Eve box this year. So, perfect activity book with colours, stickers. That's quite good actually. I think this was like £1 or something. So that's the first thing that I grabbed. Next, little squeaky snowman dog toy, because obviously I've got a dog, I don't go around squeaking dog toys for fun. So again, that was probably about £1. Next, I got a pack of Love Hearts, because being pregnant I'm craving sweets, and Love Hearts specifically, and also they're quite cool for stocking fillers and things, I find as well. Replenished my white wine vinegar spray. If you don't know about this and you don't use this, you need to. It is a hero product. You can do so much with it, from cleaning your windows to deep cleaning your washing machine. So just check out Mrs. Hinch and she will tell you all that you need to know about the white wine vinegar. I got some Charmallows. So yeah, I was kind of thinking Christmas Eve, maybe we could have a go at charring them. I mean, I don't know how, but it might just be that we decorate them, we dip them in chocolate, put them on sticks, and just eat them. If you had a chocolate fountain, they would be perfect. Next, some Chubby Chop mini lollies. Again, great to have in the house. They send my son insane. Didn't quite think of that through. Especially around Christmas time when you've got people visiting and children visiting, it's always nice and handy to just have a little sweetie or a little lolly to give them. Next, got some jelly babies. These are for my dad. Dad is obsessed with jelly babies. What have we got next in my box of tricks? Oh yeah, I grabbed these eraser sponges. It cuts to any size, it's reusable. Great for lime scale, burnt on food and more. And I've seen people use these, dependent on obviously what type of paintwork you've got on your walls and your doors, but to remove scuffs and marks off doors and walls. And I've got a 4-year-old running round, so you can imagine my walls are scuffed. So I'm hoping that they, I mean, it is literally just a sponge, but hopefully it does what it says on the tin. Intrigued by them. What did I get next? I got some premium classic lattes for Ben. This is what he's been having at the moment. So thought I would grab those to see what he thinks of them. Maybe he might put on the screen what he thinks of them because he might have tried one by now. But yeah, I think they were like £1. Next, I got some Astonish Oxy Active Plus Stain Remover. So obviously like the Vanish because, well yeah, just because I keep mentioning I've got a 4-year-old who stains his clothes. So yeah, hopefully that will come in handy, and it's really inexpensive compared to like Vanish. Next up, we've got these little mini Gingerbread Men. They're just little packs, so again, gonna make up Seb's Christmas Eve box and pop some of those in. But to be honest, again, it must be a pregnancy thing, we're craving Gingerbread Men. Now me and gingerbread in the past were not friends, but now, for some reason, Ben bought some decorate your own gingerbread houses things, and I demolished them, they were gone. Oh yeah, picked up this Hemp hand lotion because obviously we're washing and gelling our hands all the time, they're sore, and I usually use the Body Shop Hemp hand lotion, which is amazing, absolutely amazing. And just when I saw this and saw that it was hemp, I thought, I wonder if it may have a similar effect. It smells quite similar. It smells the same. It's got a similar consistency. Who knows? Hopefully, for like £1, that's gonna save my hands. So I'll keep you updated on that one. Next, I grabbed Caramax for my dad. My dad is being really awkward this year and has not given any ideas of what he'd like for Christmas, so I'm clutching at straws, and so far he's got fruit pastels, jelly babies and Caramac. He needs to give me ideas, and quick. I'm running out of time. Next, I got some Super Soft Kids shampoo and shower gel. This was like, again, like £1. That smells nice. And don't forget, you guys get discount as well off of your order, so don't forget that. Yeah, I got it for Seb, obviously. I'm still going, guys, and I spent just under £30. Got some baking sheets, ready cut baking sheets for Christmas Eve because I'm gonna get baking. I know, I don't normally. So to go along with that, I just got a silicone heart mould because I'm gonna have a go at baking a cake, but I'm not gonna have a go at baking the cake from scratch because that would just end in disaster. So instead I've cheated and I just got some chocolate sponge mix, cake mix. Yeah, we're just gonna have a go at making a chocolate cake on Christmas Eve. All part of Seb's Christmas Eve box. Baking, fun activities, you know the score. I also got some icing sugar because Sebby wants to make these things, these Christmas tree, puff Christmas tree things with Nutella that I've seen on TikTok. Which reminds me, I need to get some puff pastry because I'm not making that from scratch either because I can't, I can't. Oh, this is cute. I picked up this little candle tea light holder and it's got like a reindeer, stag and a deer on there, and I just thought, yeah, because you can obviously see through, you'll be able to see the candle flickering, so I thought that would look quite nice, so keep that out. Got some microwave and fridge freezer wipes just because I've never used them before. I always just use normal like cleaning spray, so I thought it might be easier, I don't know. So grabbed those. Then for Sebby's Christmas Eve box, I got him some foil stickers. He loves, absolutely loves stickers, and these are like 3D foam ones. He's got some little elves on there, some snowmen, so he's going to really enjoy doing that. I also picked up a footprint stencil for Santa, so we're going to have to get creative with that. Also going to have to either get some spray snow or, even though it's not snowed, I'm sure Seb won't realise that, hopefully, or talcum powder, or let me know what it is I can use to show up some good Santa footprints for Christmas morning. Coming to the last two items, so I grabbed this Fabulosa Opulence Disinfectant Spray. Now I've got their disinfectant in fairy dust, I want to say, and oh my god, it smells insane. So let's have a sniff. Oh, that smells nice. It smells like, yeah, it smells like a really perfumed but nice. So yeah, that's good for, I go around with like a microfiber cloth and do all the high touch areas in the house and spray my mats, my front door mats with it. So yeah, that's what I intend to do with that. And then literally just got us a new baking tray because I don't know why, but every single baking tray that we buy doesn't last 2 seconds. It gets ruined and trashed. So grabbed a new one of them. And that is literally everything that I picked up in my CHERRYZ haul. Some great little bits there. Can't wait to put Sebby's little Christmas Eve box together. I am going to be doing another little haul come vlog of that. Probably going to start filming that today, so that'll be coming like in the next couple of days. Well, yeah, before Christmas, possibly Christmas Eve. So whilst you're waiting for Santa to arrive, you will be able to tune in on my vlog. That'd be cool. So if you're making your first order on CHERRYZ, whether that's online or on the app, you can get 20% off by using the code OBG20. I'll pop it on the screen, I'll pop it down below. I will also link the website, so you can click that link, head straight over there, have a browse, use your discount code. It is for first time purchases only, so if you've purchased with CHERRYZ before, the discount code won't apply for you. But yeah, it's a great place to go and get affordable household items, food bits, cleaning products, you name it, you can find it there. I got free delivery because I spent a certain amount. Yeah, that is everything that I wanted to share in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Stay tuned for my Christmas vlog, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!